Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about the fringes or tassels on hand knotted rugs. We are often asked if you can cut the fringes off them, and the simple answer is no. The reason being, the fringes of a rug, they are integral to the rug. They are part of the foundations, they run from end to end, and if you cut those, then what's going to happen is the rug's going to start to unravel over time. So if you've got a hand knotted rug and your fringes are looking a little bit tatty or a little bit messy or a little bit grey, please don't cut them off. You are going to end up with a big problem. Them looking a bit tatty and a bit grey is better than the rug coming undone. So we've got a rug here. I'll just walk you through this rug. The customer had cut the fringes off themselves because it was looking a little bit tatty and a little bit old, and they decided to cut it off and then suddenly realised their mistake in that the rug started to come undone. So this part of the rug here is the killing, and there'd be a couple of options that we could do to secure this rug. We could pop in a glue seam and seam this underneath so that it just fits like that and it's secure, but it's quite a permanent thing and also stops you from being able to put new fringes back on the rug at a later date if you decided to. Another option would be to use this killing and make a small fringe out of it. And then another option, which is what the customer's actually chosen for this rug, is to have a bind put all the way along the edge of the rug, and I've done that already on the other end, so I'll show you that end. So here's the other end that's already been hand bound, and you can see it finishes the rug off really nicely, and it looks like it was originally put there, part of the rug. So completely hidden of the mistake that customer made cutting the fringes off. So I'm now going to do the other end and bind it, and I'll show you the finished result of the whole rug. There would be another option as well where we could actually rebuild the fringes, put the foundations back in and make the rug look like it used to, but that's quite an expensive option and not all customers want to go with that option, especially if they've cut them off in the first place, because a lot of customers don't always like the fringes on the rug. And this is what the finish end looks like.
Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to try and help us grow our channel, by all means click the thumbs up button, which is the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to. Click the notification bell so you get notified of all our videos that are coming up, and we have got some serious amount of videos coming up in the future. Or you can just leave a comment. That'd be brilliant. We try and answer all the comments that come through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
If you cut the tassels and the fringes, you're gonna... So with this rug, I probably look stupid then because I was in the middle of... I don't smile. So with this rug, the customer has chosen the option of having the... We get asked on a lot of times, what? We get... If you're cutting it off, you're cutting it off.